Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming gaming beast, the Asus ROG Phone 5, gets the highest score in a DxOMark in audio review. The official Asus ROG Phone 5 launch date on March 10. However, DxOMark already posted its audio review of the gaming flagship and it's given it an excellent mark. Anyway, with a score of 79, the upcoming ROG Phone claim at the top spot in the charts with the healthy lead over the Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro 76 score in a second place. Its predecessor, the ROG Phone 3, is currently tied for a third win, the Huawei Mate 20X booth at 75 points. The phone is question seems to be i005DA, which we saw on a Tina on a January rather than the i005DB version, which crop it up later. This B version has a screen on the back, while images of the A model had a Tencent gaming logo. Instead, the phone tested by the DxOMark has neither a screen nor or a Tencent logo. What the phone does have are two front-firing stereo speaker, direct tuning technology, and a 3.5mm headphone jack with an ESS DAC and a Snapdragon 888 chipset. Of course, in terms of performance, the ROG Phone 5 earned category-leading subscore in the dynamic spatial and a artifact test. There are some downside, including slightly weak bass and issue cropping up a max volume. The phone is recording capability are overall excellent. So this is, as you can see, the playback and recording score. The playback is 78, recording is 79, timbre 73, dynamic 76, spatial 78, volume 72, air factor 93. The other score, as you can see, this is the Asus ROG Phone 5, the gaming phone, launch on March 10. Let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out.